guys, who's hungry? You, huh? Over here, Goofy. That's an empty bowl that Stone just knocked off. Hold on. All right. Okay, here's your two. Oh, wow, Stone, I'm surprised you're not even hissing at the kitten. Hold on a minute, Mercedes. Yours is coming. Oh, there he goes, being grumpy. Come here, Stone. No, Stone, the table's got stuff. You have to eat down here, baby. And there goes Judo, acting like he has never before been fed. Would you, like, calm your shit there, little guy? It's not going anywhere. Mom said you growled at her the last time. You must have just been really hungry. You're not doing that now. But good Lord, like, they eat normally. Stone eats like he's a dainty little thing. Mercedes mostly just prefers the juice. And then there's him. Just take a breath there, little dude. It ain't going anywhere, except in your tummy. You would think people, oh, I should say people would think we never feed you. I can't talk tonight, apparently. Good Lord. Little pig. Really, Stone? That's all you're gonna eat? Kitty, kitty, kitty. Stone. Stone. Grumpy boy. Hey. Really? That's all you're gonna eat? Oh, you're in a bad mood, aren't you? Did the kitten put you in a bad mood? Oh, really, Mercedes? You didn't even eat all of what was in your bowl before you started on that one. Just put that there. And this is why Judo is fat.